how to remove Instagram comment limits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply turn off Instagram comment limits. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, you're going to open the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices. Once you have gone there, you just have to go into the profile option that is at the top right corner of your mobile phone device. Once you tap on your profile screen, this is the type of page that appears up. You're going to tap on once again the top right corner in the three bar option, the freelance option, which would open the settings dialog box. So once this dialog box appears, you just have to go into the settings. So once you go over there in this page, you're going to go into the privacy. Once you have been into this page, you just have to select the limits in the interactions. That would be the number one. So it is already off. It was on, somehow you just turn it off. So this is the basically limits for the comments, and this is how you turn it off. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.